Hi, this is Christy from Strada. Today I'm going to show you around a 2-bedroom apartment in Town Square with the new launch Hyde in the Park by NSHAMA. As you enter on the right, we have got a fully fitted kitchen with Bosch appliances, spacious living and dining area. On the right we have a powder room which is fully fitted, first bedroom with balcony access, fully fitted wardrobes to the left and to the right with an ensuite bathroom. On the left side of the apartment we have a laundry room with our second bedroom, again with balcony access, fitted wardrobes and an ensuite with a shower. If you are interested in the apartment that you see today or want more details, please contact Christy on 058 631 7725.